What if one simple fruit at night could stop your blurry vision from getting worse? Imagine this. You're 60, maybe 65. You wake up in the morning, reach for your newspaper or your phone, and everything is fuzzy. Words smear together, your eyes feel dry, lights seem harsh. But then, imagine the image slowly sharpening, letters coming into focus, colors looking clearer, the world returning to you. Here's the shocking truth. At night, your eyes lose up to 30% of their oxygen, and that's when the real damage happens. But researchers are finding that certain everyday fruits, eaten at the right time and in the right way, can support your eyes during this vulnerable period. These fruits can help your retina repair damage, improve oxygen flow, and protect against the silent processes that cause blurry vision in older adults. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also give you a 7-step bedtime routine that thousands of people over 50 are using to wake up with clearer, more comfortable vision. Let's begin. Why vision gets worse at night. Before we talk about the fruits, it's important to understand why your vision becomes blurry, especially in the morning. As we get older, 4 hidden processes start happening in the eyes at night. To make this simple, imagine 4 little drawings or animations appearing as I explain. 1. Hypoxia. Low oxygen visual, a tiny cartoon retina wearing an oxygen mask. When you fall asleep, blood flow to your eyes naturally decreases. But after age 50, this drop becomes much more dramatic. Your retina, the part of your eye that captures light, needs more oxygen than almost any other tissue in your body. Less oxygen, damaged photoreceptors, morning blurriness. 2. Glycation. Sugar damage. Visual. Sugar molecules sticking to lens proteins like glue. Glycation happens when sugar binds to proteins inside your eyes. This forms AGES, advanced glycation end products. These sticky compounds make your lens cloudy and stiff. This is one of the earliest triggers of cataracts, and it happens faster at night. 3. Microinflammation. Visual. Tiny flames inside blood vessels. Your eye contains microscopic capillaries. Over time, chronic inflammation makes them narrow and leaky. This reduces blood flow and causes your eyes to tire easily, especially when reading or using screens. 4. Oxidative washout visual, a shield slowly dissolving. Your retina is bombarded by blue light and UV exposure all day. Normally, antioxidants inside your macula protect it, but those antioxidants get washed out every night if you're not replenishing them with the right foods. These 4 processes combined create what many people describe as morning fog, milky vision, slow focusing, blur that gets worse in low light. The good news? Certain fruits directly counteract these nighttime processes. Let's explore the 7 most powerful ones. The 7 fruits. 7. Golden Kiwi, the nighttime macula protector. Golden kiwi is one of the richest fruit sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, the 2 pigments your macula uses as armor. But here's what makes golden kiwi even more powerful. Boosts melatonin. Golden kiwis naturally increase melatonin levels, helping you fall asleep easier and reach deeper sleep stages when the retina repairs itself most actively. Serotonin content. They contain serotonin, which stabilizes your sleep cycle and reduces nighttime eye strain. How to choose high lutein kiwis. Look for deeper yellow flesh, slightly soft texture, smaller size, tends to contain higher pigment concentration. How to eat. Eat 2 golden kiwis 1 hour before bed. Don't peel too deeply. The thin layer just beneath the skin contains caffeic acid, a powerful antioxidant. 6. Watermelon. Hydration plus lycopene for dry morning eyes. People with chronic dry eyes often wake up with blurry vision. Watermelon helps with 2 major issues. 90% water restores nighttime hydration. Dehydration is a hidden cause of morning blur. Lycopene protects retinal cells. This antioxidant targets oxidative stress inside the retina. Citrulline in the white rind. This increases nitric oxide, improving blood flow to the eyes at night. Pro tip: add a pinch of potassium salt, not regular table salt. Potassium supports healthy intraocular pressure. How to eat 1 to 2 cups, 30 minutes before bed. Include some of the white rind for extra citrulline. 5. Blackcurrants, the dark berry. That rivals eye supplements. Blackcurrants aren't as common in the US, but they contain anthocyanins 3 to 4 times stronger than blueberries. Support for screen fatigue. Anthocyanins reduce optic nerve strain caused by long periods of screen use. Excellent for people with glaucoma. Risk studies show improved retinal blood flow and slower thinning of nerve fibers. Nighttime benefit. They strongly enhance dark adaptation, helping your eyes adjust when going from bright rooms to darkness. How to take. If fresh berries aren't available, take 50 milligrams anthocyanin extract at night. Pro tip: pair with vitamin C or a small healthy fat, a walnut or two, for better absorption. 4. Wild blueberries, the retinal repair builders. Wild blueberries are richer, darker, and far more nutrient-dense than supermarket cultivated blueberries. How to tell the difference. Wild equals smaller, darker, more intense flavor. Cultivated equals bigger, shiny, lighter color. Frozen thaw method. Freeze aero steam breaks cell walls, aero twice the antioxidant release. Let thaw slightly before eating, helps with halo lights. Older adults who see halos around headlights often lack anthocyanins. How to eat 1/3 to 1/2 cup 45 minutes before bed. Don't mix with dairy proteins, block anthocyanin absorption. 3. Red dragon fruit, the oxygen booster. The vibrant magenta flesh of red dragon fruit is packed with betalains, rare antioxidants that support blood flow and decrease inflammation. Low glycemic index. Great for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Betalains reduce CRP. CRP is an inflammation marker closely linked to retinal microinflammation. Chew the seeds. Those tiny black seeds contain ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that supports optic nerve health. Most people swallow them whole and miss the benefit. How to eat half a red flesh dragon fruit 1 hour before bed. 2. Goji berries, the macula density builder. Goji berries are the richest natural source of zeaxanthin. Increase MPOD. MPOD equals macular pigment. Optical density. Higher MPOD means better protection against glare and macular thinning. Helps people who struggle with night vision. If you can't see well in dark restaurants or while driving at night, this fruit is for you. Pro tip: combine goji berries with pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds lower the glycemic impact and provide zinc, which is essential for retinal metabolism. How to eat. Soak 2 tablespoons of goji berries in warm water for 10 to 20 minutes. Eat them 30 to 60 minutes before bed. 1. Papaya, the cataract fighting night. Fruit papaya deserves the #1 spot, especially for adults in their 50s, 60s, and 70s. Papain breaks down AGs. Papain is a natural enzyme that breaks apart glycation compounds clouding your lenses. Vitamin E powerhouse papaya has 15 times more vitamin E than apples, helping restore tear film and reduce lens oxidation. Excellent for early cataracts, supports clarity and reduces cloudiness. How to choose the best papaya. Look for yellow-orange skin, mild softness, noticeable sweet aroma. Avoid refrigerated papayas. Enzymes become inactive below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. How to eat 1 cup of ripe papaya cubes at room temperature. Add a squeeze of lime. Vitamin C boosts vitamin A absorption. The 7 fruit night eye routine. Here is a powerful checklist for maximizing results. This keeps retention extremely high because viewers love practical instructions. 1. Eat the fruit 60 to 90 minutes before bed. This ensures your eyes receive the nutrients during their repair window. 2. Add a small healthy fat. Examples: 1 to 2 walnuts, 1 teaspoon flaxseed oil, 1/4 avocado. Fat increases carotenoid absorption by 40 to 60%. 3. Avoid all dairy milk and yogurt. Block the absorption of lutein and zeaxanthin. 4. Don't eat fruit right after a heavy dinner. Fatty or high-protein meals slow gastric emptying and delay absorption. 5. Keep fruit at room temperature. Cold fruit temporarily disables enzymes like papain. 6. Choose 1 to 2 fruits each night. You don't need all 7, the key is consistency. 7. Track your vision for 14 days. You may notice clearer mornings, less glare, sharper text, fewer dry eye symptoms. 7 signs your vision is improving. These signs keep viewers watching because they want to compare themselves. 1 less glare when driving at night. Headlights no longer feel overwhelmingly bright. 2 less morning dryness. Your eyes feel more comfortable when you wake. 3 clearer reading vision. Newspapers, menus, and phone texts look sharper. 4 reduced cloudiness. Your vision feels cleaner, not foggy. 5 faster. Focusing your eyes adjust quicker when shifting from far to near. 6 less eye fatigue, especially after computer or phone use. 7 colors appear slightly more vivid. This is a sign your macular pigment is strengthening. Who should avoid these fruits? This section adds credibility and safety, very important for viewers over 50. People with diabetes should limit high-sugar fruits like watermelon and papaya. Choose kiwi or dragon fruit instead. People with GERD citrus additions, like lime on papaya, may trigger reflux. Skip the citrus if needed. People on blood pressure medication avoid excessive potassium salt when eating watermelon. People taking blood thinners, large amounts of goji berries may interact. Consume moderately. Before you go, here's a quick summary of what we covered today. Tonight, remember that your eyes do most of their repair work while you sleep. By choosing the right night foods, the fruits and nutrients that support oxygen flow, reduce inflammation, improve tear film stability, and protect your macula, you give your vision the exact tools it needs to stay clear, sharp, and strong as you age. Small habits, repeated daily, create real change, and your nighttime routine matters more than most people realize. Now I want to hear from you. Comment your age, your biggest vision problem, and which fruit you want a full video on next. I answer every single comment, and your experience might help someone else over 50 who's struggling with their eyesight. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to protect their eyes naturally. You may change someone's life simply by sending them this information. Your vision is precious, and with the right nighttime habits, you truly have the power to support it every single night.